Is the bear market bottom in for Gala, and is it up only from here? Welcome back to Bearman Crypto, where we talk all things crypto. So in today's video, guys, I just want to pose that question to you and just share my thoughts on whether we have now seen the bear market bottom for Gala, and is the price only literally going to pump from this point onwards. And at the moment, we're currently sitting at 1 point. We're sitting at 0.177 cents. The price hasn't really done much over the last 7 days. But if we have a look down here, where we were just before the end of the year, we're hovering around literally just above 0.15 cents. So the price, obviously, you can see here over the last 7 days, it has pumped a little bit, but not really that much to to sing and dance about. So really, that's really what I want to look at in this video. But before I jump into that, I just want to share with you some exciting stuff that I've come across on Gala Films, and a potential opportunity for you guys to get involved in Gala Films and what they're doing there. So at the moment, they're having they're selling their NFTs for this animation series, Ghost of Ruins. So basically, it's a dystopic animated series. There's a trailer here. If you want to hop onto the Gala Film website and check out the trailer, I won't play it for you here, but there's a number of NFTs that are available that you can also have a look at. They actually had one earlier, which was the supporter NFT, which they've now actually stopped selling. They stopped selling it a few hours ago. If you managed to get in, well done. But there's still some other remaining NFTs if you're interested in getting some. They've got the Coda NFT. So basically, again, this is an NFT, entry level NFT for this specific film, and what that gives you is it gives you free access to watch the film when it's released on Gala Film this summer. And this summer, we're talking 2023. So just keep that in mind, that this will be becoming available this year. So that's that NFT, which is currently available for sale. It's for $250. So obviously, for some, it is pricey. So again, please make sure you do your own further research before buying any of this stuff. I'm just sharing with you what might be of interest. They've obviously also got the developer NFT. Again, this gives the holder access to exclusive content, and they get involved basically in the pilot for this production of the film. And it also gives them access to this secret cinema club. No idea what it is. There's been no further detail about what it is. There's also the executive. If you're feeling really driven and wanting to get involved, there's this NFT here, which basically gives you exclusive content and influence over the production of this specific series, and also it gives you free access when it does stream in 2023, of course. And then obviously, if you've got a lot of spare cash, you can then get involved in this board member level. Basically, this NFT gives you access to, again, exclusive contents, but just a next level up. So these are some of the NFTs that are on sale at the moment for this specific film. But the opportunity I wanted to discuss with you on specifically Ghost of Ruin is today they announced in their Discord that they've got this pilot. Basically, you've just got the opportunity to get involved in this, where you go through a quest. Basically, they'll send you a series of questions via email. You go in here, hop on, add your email address, and basically what you do get is the opportunity to basically get yourself animated in this series during the pilot. So you can imagine, you can see here, there's the trailer running in the background, getting involved and getting your own character, your own self animated in the pilot. And again, this is just for the pilot, but I think it's still pretty cool. And some of the questions that they'll be asking are fairly easy. I've already answered one of them today, so I'm imagining that there'll be a few more series of questions that will be emailed out later, but this is an opportunity to get involved in this. I'll drop the link to this specific quest if you want to get involved. It's free, of course, down in the description of this video. But let me know your thoughts. What do you think of Ghost of Ruin and the films that they've got coming up? But back to the main topic at hand. Have we seen the bottom for the Gala price? So this is just on TradingView, pulling a similar chart on the daily time frame that we looked at a few days ago in a previous video. You can see here with the with basically the fib retracement pulled up, we are way down below this 236 level. You can see how the price has absolutely tumbled since August, and at the moment, as I said in my last video, I'm looking to DCA into this as the price drops. And where we're at the moment, we obviously dropped as far as 0.15 cents is what we dropped as low as a few days ago. I was expecting to DCA back into this if we carried on dropping, if we dropped a bit further, if we dropped, for example, to 0.14 cents, I was going to DCA in some more, drop down again all the way down to even below a cent. Are we still going to get those similar levels? The simple answer is yes. I think there might still be another opportunity to buy this even lower. However, I have been DCAing into this, so if it's up only from here, I'm comfortable that I've got a decent size bag, that if things really went crazy and really started pumping, I'll be happy with the bags that I hold, which is why it's always a good idea to make sure that you're continuously, if you find a project that you like, you just continue to DCA and gradually, depending on what the prices do. But I still think that there could be an opportunity to buy this in again below a cent. But when that opportunity will be, who knows? At the moment, given the current market structure, things are looking a bit bullish. And if we're looking at Gala itself, if this price was to pump, I think we could go as high as this upper level, which will get us to this 0.236 level, which will be around just under 3 cents basically. That will be an amazing pump, but that is highly dependent on what Bitcoin does, because obviously that dictates the rest of the overall market and how that's doing. And if we pulled across the MACD indicator just to see what that is showing us, we can see here, if we zoom in a bit more. So when we're looking at this, last time this blue line was below the red line, we can now see that it's crossed over. We are now starting to print these green histograms, which tends to be an indicator that the prices are about to start going up. So we'll have to just monitor this and see what happens over the coming days. But what we really want to see is a continuation of this blue line starting to continue to rise up, and we really want to see it go above this break-even zero line. And once it starts crossing over there, the prices will really start to pump up, and I think that's where we could potentially see this pumping up to, about, it could pump up to about 3 cents if things went really well. But then again, we could get a bit of sideways action, and it's just something that we're just going to have to continue monitoring. But that's what really I wanted to share with you guys. But obviously not financial advice, of course. If you've enjoyed this Gala content, this is really all I want to share with you. If you enjoyed this, make sure you hit the like button. If you're not subscribed to the channel, make sure you subscribe to the channel. But as always, if you before you invest any of your money, just do your own further research. That's just the last piece of advice. And that's all I got for you. And I'll see you in my next video.